Hey everyone, this is Mickey. Since today is National Chocolate Day, I want to show you how easy it is to make chocolate French macarons. To make the French macaron batter, I made a separate video on how to do that and put the link in the video description. So to make chocolate French macarons, once you have the batter, all you need to do is add 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder and mix everything well together. And that's pretty much it on how to make chocolate French macarons. See how easy it is? Of course, the hardest part is making the batter and baking them at the right temperature according to your oven. If you have any questions about French macaron making, feel free to leave me a comment and I'll try to help you troubleshoot your issue. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful National Chocolate Day.